Hi everyone, welcome back to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn about articles a and the or a and the. These articles are used with nouns. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, thing, animal, place, idea or a quality. Okay, you have learned these articles in the lower classes, but today let us recall it and I'll help you to know how to use these articles in sentences. Okay, so let's start with the first article, that is A. Now let's see some sentences.
I read a book yesterday. I have a dog. Did anyone hear a doorbell? I had a banana for lunch. We can see the article A is placed before noun. Book, dog, doorbell, banana, all these are singular noun, which means only one thing is mentioned here. See the first sentence. I read a book yesterday. Here, the book's name is not mentioned. It can be any book. So it is a general idea or thing that here mentioned. I read a book yesterday, not a specific thing. And also we can see all these nouns are begun with a consonant sound. What is a consonant sound? I hope you know the vowel sounds. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? So in English language we have vowel sound and consonant sound. All other sounds except vowel sounds are the consonant sound. Okay. Here we can see the first noun, that is book. The word book begins with the sound B, not A, E, I, O, U. So that word or that sound is the consonant sound. So article A will always become with the word which begin with a consonant sound. Okay. When we look at other words also, they are begun with a consonant sound. So article A is an indefinite article, which means we cannot specify that noun, and used before singular noun beginning with a consonant sound.
So article A used with singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So that's all about article A. Now let's see the article an.
I ate an apple for lunch. He drives an old car. She is an honest person. I bought an umbrella. Dear children, we can see the article an is placed before the noun which is begun with the vowel sound, isn't it? All these nouns are singular but begin with a vowel sound. See the first one, apple. A, E, I, O, U. Apple. The sound A comes here. So it's a vowel sound. So we use the article an. Now let's see these sentences. I bought an umbrella. I'll be back in an hour. He is an honest person. See the first sentence. I bought an umbrella. Which is the noun? Umbrella. What is the first letter? U. But we are not pronouncing like umbrella. How we pronounce? Umbrella. So we have to consider the sound according to our pronunciation. So U is silent here, but umbrella, a sound is there. So that's a vowel sound. The next word, hour. We are not saying hour, isn't it? Hour is the correct pronunciation. So, our sound is there. Next one is honest. We are not saying honest, it is honest. So, O sound is there in vowel sound. So, this is how we consider a vowel sound and consonant sound. Clear? So, and is an indefinite article, and we are giving a general idea about a thing, not a specific idea. And is used before singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Okay.
So, an is used with a singular noun which begin with a vowel sound. Okay. Now let's see the next article, the.
The dog that bit me ran away. Here we know specifically about which dog we are talking about. The dog which bit me. Okay, here the noun is specified. See the next sentence. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. So, the policeman is specified here. The policeman who saved my cat. So, we are getting more information about the person, the noun, that is the policeman. So, the is a definite article, that is something in particular, something in specific. We are talking about a particular dog and a particular policeman, not in general. In the case of a and an, we are giving a general idea about a general thing. But here we use the article the before a particular or a specific noun. Okay. See the sentence. In gilli danda, the danda is used to strike the gilli as far as possible. Here also the nouns danda and gilli is specified already in gilli danda. Okay. So we are giving the second information about the nouns which is already mentioned at the beginning of the sentence. That's why you can say that the article the is a definite article because the noun is specified here. Okay, let's see some more examples. The moon is very bright. He is the tallest boy. It is the oldest building in the town. In these sentences, we can see these are the facts. We are sure about these things. So we used the article, the definite article, the. The article the is a definite article. It is used for stating facts. It is used before both singular and plural nouns. Let's see some other examples. The article a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. Article an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. Article the earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun. In your textbook, page number 18, there is an activity in grammar section A. Tick the correct article to complete these sentences. 5 sentences are given. Children, go through each sentences and find out the appropriate article. Okay, do it by yourself. The answer key will be attached in the Google Classroom, so you must check it out. Okay. For the next class, study question number 1 from section B. Okay.
I hope you understood the articles a and the. Don't forget to do the textile activities. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.